National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, north central Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, east central Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Easley, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Easley, Welcome, Powdersville, Liberty, Bay Area and West Greenville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson, Greenville, and Pickens.